Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn most important MCQ on Lok Sabha. Your first question, the Lok Sabha is also known as the correct answer, House of the People. Next question, the Lok Sabha is a part of which body? Correct answer, Legislature. Next question, the maximum strength of Lok Sabha is correct answer 552. Next question. Out of the total 552 members, how many are nominated by the President? Correct answer 2. Next question. The members of Lok Sabha are elected directly by correct answer People of India. Next question. The term of Lok Sabha is correct answer 5 years. Next question. The first Lok Sabha was constituted in correct answer 1952. Next question. The minimum age to be a member of Lok Sabha is correct answer 25 years. Next question. The Lok Sabha can be dissolved by correct answer President. Next question. The Lok Sabha represent the correct answer People of India. Next question. The maximum number of seats allotted to any state in Lok Sabha is based on correct answer population. Next question. The Speaker of Lok Sabha is elected by correct answer members of Lok Sabha. Next question. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha was correct answer J.V. Mavalankar. Next question. Who presides over the Lok Sabha in absence of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker? Correct answer a member appointed by the Speaker. Next question. The quorum to constitute a meeting of Lok Sabha is correct answer 1/10 of total members. Next question. Money bill can be introduced only in correct answer Lok Sabha. Next question. The Speaker of Lok Sabha holds office correct answer during the life of Lok Sabha. Next question. If the Lok Sabha is dissolved, the Speaker correct answer continues till new Speaker is elected. Next question. Join the office Parliament is presided over by correct answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next question. The Lok Sabha Secretariat comes under the control of correct answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next question. The maximum number of Anglo-Indians nominated in Lok Sabha was correct answer 2. Next question. A bill pending in Lok Sabha lapses correct answer when Lok Sabha is dissolved. Next question. The current strength of Lok Sabha is correct answer 543. Next question. The Speaker can be removed by correct answer resolution of Lok Sabha. Next question. Which article of the Constitution deals with Lok Sabha? Correct answer Article 81. Next question. Representation in Lok Sabha is based on correct answer population. Next question. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Correct answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next question. The minimum number of sittings Lok Sabha in a year should be. Correct answer 3. Next question. A motion expressing lack of confidence in the Council of Ministers is introduced in. Correct answer Lok Sabha. Next question. The Lok Sabha controls the Council of Ministers through A. Question hour, B. Adjournment motion, C. No confidence motion, D. All of the above. Correct answer all of the above. Next question. Lok Sabha can be extended during emergency by a period not exceeding. Correct answer 1 year at a time. Next question. Which amendment froze the number of seats in Lok Sabha till 2026? Correct answer 84th Constitutional Amendment. Next question. Who summons the Lok Sabha sessions? Correct answer President. Next question. The first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha was. Correct answer Meera Kumar. Next question. Which article mentions the composition of Parliament? Correct answer Article 79. Next question. The Speaker tenders his resignation to. Correct answer Deputy Speaker. Next question. The first woman Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha was Meera Kumar. Next question. If a money bill is rejected by Rajya Sabha, then. Correct answer it is deemed to have been passed by both houses. Next question. The leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha is given the status of. Correct answer Minister of Cabinet rank. Next question. The budget is first represented in. Correct answer Lok Sabha. Next question. Who prepares the list of business for Lok Sabha? Correct answer Speaker. Next question. The term of Lok Sabha may extended by Parliament during. Correct answer emergency under Article 352. Next question. The interval between two sessions of Lok Sabha should not exceed. Correct answer 6 months. Next question. A motion of thanks is moved in Lok Sabha after. Correct answer President's address. Next question. Which language is used for Lok Sabha proceedings? Correct answer both Hindi and English. Next question. Who administers the oath to members of Lok Sabha? Correct answer President or person appointed by him. Next question. The Speaker can suspend a member under which rule? Correct answer Rule 374. Next question. Lok Sabha is a body. Correct answer temporary. Next question. Out of the total Lok Sabha seats, how many represent the states? Correct answer 530. Next question. How many seats in Lok Sabha are allotted to union territories? Correct answer 20. Next question. How many members of the Anglo-Indian community could be nominated to the Lok Sabha? Correct answer 2. Next question. Union legislature in India consists of. Correct answer President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next question. During a national emergency, Lok Sabha's term can be extended by. Correct answer 1 year at a time. Next question. Which state has the maximum number of Lok Sabha seats? Correct answer Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which state have only one seat in Lok Sabha? Correct answer Sikkim, Nagaland and Mizoram. Next question. Each union territory has. Correct answer 1 seat each. Next question. According to Article 84, to become a member of Lok Sabha, a person must be at least. Correct answer 25. Next question. A person is disqualified for being a member of Lok Sabha if he holds. Correct answer any office of profit. Next question. Members of Lok Sabha take oath under Article. Correct answer Article 99. Next question. The Speaker of Lok Sabha is elected under which article? Correct answer Article 93. Next question. Who is the principal spokesperson of Lok Sabha? Correct answer Speaker. Next question. Who maintains order and decorum in Lok Sabha? Correct answer Speaker. Next question. Who presides over the joint sitting of both houses of parliament? Correct answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next question. Who certifies a bill as a money bill? Correct answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next question. Who appoints the chairman of all parliamentary committees of Lok Sabha? Correct answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next question. Who is the present Speaker of Lok Sabha? Correct answer Om Birla. Your last question. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha to die while in office? Correct answer GMC Pal Ogi. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel.